So we are happy to be here by the beautiful arrangement of our devotees and Matajis. Yeah. We just arrived today in Perth. This is for the first time, yeah, to be here in Perth. But actually we came to Australia many years, yeah, ago, around 82, 81, 82. During that time is our guru, this Zona Guru, is Swananda Prabhu during that time. So during his Rasa Puja, we bring dance from Bali, yeah, a crew of the devotees, and we performing dance for the Vyasa Puja, and also we traveling to different temple also, to Brisbane, Melbourne, Sydney, Murwillumbah, and also to Canberra, like that. So during the time we perform dance, yeah, bring some devotees, and also we perform Ramayana dance at that time. But this time we coming to get association from you, from all devotees here. So by seeing you all so very enthusiastically doing puja, singing, dancing like that, so make us also become more happy and more enthusiastic. So we will very benefited by association. So also now we are in the month of Kartik, yeah. So this month of Kartik is very special month. This is the special month, very is loved by the Supreme Lord Krishna. So therefore this month is called, the Supreme Lord gave name this bulan the Damodara Masa. So Damodar means the Supreme Lord himself, Krishna. And also because the month is loved by Krishna also, this is also special month also, is loved also by Srimati Radharani, like that. So during this month, if we do so many things we can do to get maximal benefit, yeah, during this month. So at least there are 10 powerful point or benefit if we observe this month of Kartik. Yeah? Maybe some devotee also already read this or found this. First, if we just offering one tulasi leaf and dip with the chandan like that, yeah. And if we offer to the lotus feet of Sri Damodar, this is equal to donating 10,000 cows. Yeah. Even we don't have one cow. Even if maybe if we have one cow, how we can donate one cow? Yeah. But just by offering one tulasi leaf with the chandan and offer to lotus feet of Supreme Lord, this is the considered as get benefit of donating 10,000 cows. Yeah. So that you can do every day like that. So how many benefit you get? Yeah. It's very easy, yeah. But so because this man is very beloved man of the Supreme Lord, whatever we do will multiply into 10,000 or like that. But also if we do some wrong, some aparad, or especially Vaishnava aparad, Guru aparad, like that, also will be multiplied 10,000 also. So therefore, try to do some good thing during this month, and also along the life also, yeah. But we try to do some nice thing during this month. The second, if we reciting, yeah, Bhagavad Gita, maybe one verse or half verse or just a quarter or to one line like that, it's similar like we are already reading, study 18 Puranas. Yeah, only one verse. So every day try to learn one verse of Bhagavad Gita. Yeah, so it's very, very good benefit. Yeah. And number 3, if we do parikram in the temple, you have to come at least during Sunday or Saturday like that, because maybe mostly the devotee here, they walk outside. Yeah. So maybe not possible to come to temple every day. Just during this month, try to come to the temple and doing parikram like that. Yeah. Parikram of temple. Every step equal to the benefit of one Ashwamedha Yajna. Yeah. Every step. How many steps we have to simulating the temple, Vishnu temple, Krishna temple, Gauranga Mahaprabhu temple. So very, much benefit like that. Yeah. 10,000, equal to one Ashwamedha. And Indra, just doing 100 Ashwamedha Yajna, he got position to be Indra. Yeah. But by doing this, how many? If you want to be Indra, it's very easy. Yeah. But our step is not to be Indra or not to be enjoyer of this material world, but by step like that, we go to the supreme world, to the supreme abode, to the abode of the Lord. There is also one story that one crow like that and was shot by hunter like that, and then they fall down, and then because the wing already broken, and they're chasing by dog, and then they just, because of fear, they just accumulating the Vishnu temple like that, and the last day was eaten, and then go to the Supreme Lord, to Vishnu Loka like that. So by circumambulating temple also very benefit. Yeah. And number 4, bathing early in the morning, in the Brahma Muhurta, between 4 o'clock to before 5 o'clock like that. Yeah. Same as we are take bath in all holy rivers. Yeah. If we want to go to holy river, we have to spend so much money to go to India. Yeah. Yeah, to take bath in the Ganges, Yamuna, or different holy river in India. But this month, just take bath early in the morning. Yeah, before. After start for 4 o'clock or before 4 o'clock, at least until before 5 o'clock, like that. So, we already take bath in all holy places. Yeah, like that. Number 5. Kartika Masa. Also, during this month, if we offering gilam, better with the, if possible, to have the stick from the from tulasi, the dry tulasi. And you pray for your maybe family already passed away like that. Pray for ancestors like that. Just on the name of them, we offering gilam. They also will get benefit. So many benefit we will get by observing this Kartika Masa. Number 6, whatever pious deed done in Kartika, whatever pious deed we doing in this Kartika Masa, that will become eternal benefit. Not just like whatever we do in this material world is very temporary, because relating to the body. But during this month, if we do, all this pious deed like that, will bring you, will give you eternal benefit like that. And never destroy it, and remain eternal with us, with you also, like that. Number 7, just chanting 1 round mala during this Kartika Masa, will get benefit of 1,000 round mala. Yeah. So if we chanting 16 round nicely, that means we got benefit of 16,000. Yeah. So how much benefit we get? Yeah. So therefore, actually, this Kartika man is so much merciful. Is there? Yeah. Number 8. Yeah. Since this Krishna is favorite man, pleasing him is very easy. So because this man they call the Damodara Masa, and whatever we do, yeah, Sankirtan or giving prasadam, distributing prasadam like that, yeah, because this is Krishna want to give mercy to all the living entities. Through us also we can also extend that Krishna's mercy to all our friends, our family, to all people like that. Just try to do some good, some give donation or whatever, yeah, or give buy some book and give to our friend, to our family, to the people like that. So this will be the people will get benefit, and we also will get so much benefit like that. Yeah. And by singing this the glories of Kartika Masa, Kartika Man, and also by singing this the glories of the Lord Damodar also, yeah, they will bring us great merit. Yeah. And also we have to, when we offer Gilem, we should have to mix with the camphor also, will be more beautiful. Yeah. So this is the 10 Dipadana also. Yeah. We like today I saw maybe one devotee preparing this Dipa, and all we just doing like that. So those who preparing this Gilem also get so much benefit they get. Yeah. So all glories to you. Yeah. Yeah. So this is this they call Dipadan. Yeah. We contribute or give some Dipa and give to people, and that devotee also can do it like that. They get benefit. If they pray for your friend, they also get benefit like that. Yeah. So this is the 10 benefit we will get. Yeah. We will when we observe this Kartika Man or Kartika Masa. So this is very special month. Yeah. We have to observe nicely, chanting Japa nicely, and hearing Katha nicely like that. So this will give us the eternal benefit, and very rapidly we are progressing in spiritual life also. So this if also we maybe our devotees, the other devotee already give class about the Leela of Damodar of Krishna's, how Krishna's Madhya Yashoda Chandi milk, yeah. So before, yeah, Madhya Yashoda thinking that because she are thinking because I am not personally, yeah, make the butter like that and preparing everything for Krishna, yeah, only the maid servant to do. Then Krishna go to the different houses every day, just stealing butter and yogurt like that. So all the neighbors was complaining to Madhya Yashoda. Oh, Yashoda, Mata, Krishna coming to our house, breaking everything and just stealing butter, stealing. But actually they happy because they want Krishna to come to their house, and they want to feed Krishna because they love Krishna more than love their children like that. Because all the Vrindavan Vasi, the inhabitant of Vrindavan, only they love Krishna, only depend on Krishna, they life for Krishna like that. But to make this Leela more beautiful, Krishna, actually everything is belong to Krishna, nothing belong to us. Yeah. So therefore Krishna, what is wrong if Krishna just taking their own property like that. But for us, look like they are stealing. Yeah. So therefore, they're complaining to Mother Yasoda. Then Mother Yasoda thinking that maybe because we are not preparing ourselves everything for Krishna, so then Mother Yasoda decided to get the milk from the special cow. Yeah, they have Mother Yasoda, Nanda Maharaj, they have 900,000 cows. Yeah, and Krishna knows every name of the cows. Yeah. Last year when I was in Vrindavan, one Babaji there in the place where Krishna usually hanging with his friend, with the Gopas, hanging the package box, lunch box there. And then when Krishna want to call the cows, they just playing flute and with different tone. Yeah, they call different name of the cow. Then one by one, cow is coming like that. Yeah. So this is to prove that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He knows everything, because Krishna also, there in the heart of the cows, also in the heart of every living entity is as Paramatma. So what is the difficulty for Krishna to call the cows? Yeah. So like that, yeah. And then there are among that cows, yeah, a few of them they call Padmaganda, very special cow, and the milk also very special. Then Mother Yasoda chant press the milk and then boil the milk and make yogurt, and then early in the morning, actually this happened on the Deepavali actually, in the Deepavali day. So Mother Yasoda early in the morning already put saffron cloth and ready to chant. And while chanting the yogurt also, Mother Yasoda was singing beautifully the lila of his son. Yeah. In the poem, he was like a very beautiful poem, and he's singing. Yeah, and she used many bengal. Yeah, in the hand, in the feet like that. Yeah, and the stick for the churning the milk, the yogurt also. Yeah, will be when Mother Yasoda chant that. They will sound that and then the Bengal, yeah, that's all sounding this thing. It's like kartal and mridanga sounds like that. So that's beautifully singing, yeah, the Krishna Lila. And when this with deep love, Mother Yasoda singing, so Krishna also, yeah, become very interested, yeah, interesting. So then Krishna wake up and pretending to be crying, oh ma, like that. Then Mother Yasoda calling, come. Yeah, and then Krishna come and stop Mother Yasoda to chant, and then drink milk from Mother Yasoda. And on that time also when Krishna not yet fully happy to drink the milk from Mother Yasoda, then the boiled milk also become overflowed. Yeah, and then suddenly Mother Yasoda just put Krishna and then take over handle the boiled milk. Yeah, milk, and then Krishna become angry, then break the pot. Yeah, and then go to different room. And there also Krishna took take down the butter, yogurt like that, and then distribute to his friend and the monyet, yeah, the monkey, yeah, like that. And then when after Mother Yasoda finished to handle the milk, and then coming back on the the yogurt already pulled on the ground because the pot is broken, and then Mother Yasoda smiling, oh, this is my son so clever, but he's naughty. Somehow I have to punish. Otherwise, if now I'm not punish him, he will in the future will become more naughty like that. So then Mother Yasoda hiding and bring stick, want to catch Krishna. When Krishna saw that Mother Yasoda want to catch him, and then jump down and then running. And then Mother Yasoda also running and chasing Krishna. After some time, because the road also is not like this road in Perth is very nice. During that time there is no asphalt road, no highway also. Village roads. There's many small people. It's don't like that. But Krishna is running there. And the gopi also is glorify the lotus, the palm of lotus feet of Krishna is more soft than the rose petal. So how soft is that? And rose petal, if we just put our finger there, it will be scratched. So Mother Yasoda was thinking, oh, the lotus feet of my son Krishna is so soft, but now he's running on the road. Maybe he feel pain like that. When he thinking and meditate on the lotus feet of Krishna, then Krishna understood. Oh, I have to let my mother to catch me like that. And then he's running, and then Mother Yasoda catch. When Mother Yasoda bring stick like that, and Krishna crying, oh, Mama, don't beat me, Mama, like that. So Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Prabhupada said the pure personality is pure to Krishna, but now Krishna is pure to Mother Yasoda. Then when Krishna crying and look very pure like that, fearful, then Mother Yasoda understand, oh, if now beat Krishna with this stick, that Krishna maybe will distress, full of distress like that, and then they throw the stick. And then, but somehow I have to bind Krishna. Then decided to bind Krishna on the mortar. But every time Mother Yasoda try to bind Krishna, just less two finger. And all the string was joined and try to bind like the always two finger, until Mother Yasoda very hardly try to bind Krishna, and also then Krishna's mercy also there and become very dear to Mother. Oh, now my mother already tried so much. I have to keep mercy like that and allow Mother Yasoda to bind Krishna. Then after that, Krishna, Mother Yasoda bind him. This two finger, should be our Acharya give some two reason. There is two nyaya or two reason. One is the like a cat. When the cat want to move the kitten, they use the mouth. The mouth of cat for the mouse is same as that. But when the kitten in the mouth of the mother, is the symbol of love, like that. And then there is a monkey. The baby monkey always try to hold their mother tightly, but the mother is not so much care. Yeah. So this is to reason. Yeah. We have to do our sadhana like the baby of monkey. We have to try to hold their mother like that. That means we have to try our best to do our sadhana, to practice our bhakti. But yeah, only our sadhana is, by our sadhana we cannot get nice result. But the result is depend on the mercy of Krishna, like that. So these two things we have to do. The first one, we have to do our bhakti, the personal service, our sadhana nicely. And then for that, we depend fully on the mercy of Guru and Krishna. When these two things there, then we will get success in our spiritual life. So this is the very short meaning of this Damodara Masa. Yeah. So in the other time, we'll speak another part of the Lila, because another part is how then Krishna deliver Yamala Arjuna, to twin tree on the yard of Nanda Maharaj, like that. So the other time we will speak on that. Yeah, because this is also very nice tattva also there. Yeah. So why Nalakwera and Manigriva was cursed by Narada Muni to become tree like that. So this is very long discussion between Sukadeva Goswami and Parikshit Maharaj also. In the 10th canto, 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam. And this Damodara Lila is the 10th canto, 9th chapter of the chapter 9 of Srimad Bhagavatam. There's 2 chapters relating to this Damodara Masa. And the 11th chapter is the Lila, the childhood pastime of Krishna. Like that. This 3 chapters is very nice chapter to always remember. If in our life just meditate on this, and if in the end of our life also we meditate on this and remember all this pastime, so we will go back to Godhead. Like in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna said, Janma karma cha me divya evam yoveti tattvata tyakta deham punam janma naiti mam naiti sarjuna. Yeah. If we just remember the appearance and the activity, the Lila of Krishna, in tattva, in truth. After leaving this body, he will not coming back to this world. They will go back to God. This the promise of Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. So this, just remember this first, and this Lila, so will bring us back to Godhead. How easy, yeah? Actually very easy, yeah? So we have to pray always to be observed in this Lila. Hare Krishna.